Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue with the Microsoft Store on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 device where it says that the Microsoft Store is stuck trying to acquire a license when you're trying to download and install updates in the Microsoft Store for Microsoft apps. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing, make sure your date and time settings are correct down in your system tray. So if you need to click on that, make sure your time and date settings are correct. If they are not, you might have to right click on them and select adjust date and time. You might want to set this to set time automatically, and you might want to try also syncing now with the servers. Make sure your time is correct. Something else you can try here, if you open up the search menu, type in WS reset. Best match should come back with WS reset. Go ahead and open that up. And then once that is done, hopefully it should launch Microsoft Store once again. You go ahead and check for updates. Hopefully the issue has been resolved at this point. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.